So good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's our day 8 and it's our 365-day hard challenge in which we are going to communicate well, and we are going to post the video of our communication so that our communication as well as our speaking skills can increase. So again, welcome back to my channel. So for today, the topic we have chosen is agriculture reforms and welfare schemes introduced by our Prime Minister Modi. So starting with the introduction, the India has been the growth story for 30 to 40 years from now, and the rapid growth in industrial as well as service sector plays an important role in India's growth in terms of GDP. So but we can't deny the amount of people engaged in agriculture activities. Around two-thirds of the population of India people are engaged in agriculture activities. So our successive government have tried to improve agriculture uh, output of our country by providing various welfare schemes as well as the agriculture decisions they are taking. So they try to improve the quality of life of the farmers as well as the output of the farmers. So we are going to discuss the schemes that has been introduced by PM Modi or under PM Modi's government. So the first scheme, that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is nothing but a type of crop insurance provided by the farmers so that they can bear the crop losses. Let's take an example. If a farmer has taken the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana by providing small premiums, and if any crop loss happen due to environmental reasons or any man-made reasons, the government going to provide them the price so that they can bear the loss. That's the crop insurance government is providing. So yeah, very good yojana. Then after that, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana has been there, which aims to har khet ko pani. The main motive of this har khet ko pani, the main motive of this yojana is to ensure that we conserve water as well as we use optimal water. And for हर खेत को पानी as well as the nara is हर खेत को पानी as well as one drop more crop. So that's the point. After that, the third welfare scheme or agriculture reforms formed by the PM Modi is Enam portal. So it's National Agriculture Market, in which the Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee has been there. It aims to provide a transparent buying or selling rate for different farmers, because in India this has been a wide space in which India has to work, because you can also face the situation in which you get something for 50 rupees in market and you get the same thing for 70 to 80 rupees in other markets. So that's a huge gap between the price. To ensure that, the government has formed Enam portal where you can find the transparent rates of the vegetables or anything you want. Then the last one for today is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. So we all know that the potential in the organic farming. The successive government also observed it and launched the Paramparagat Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Thank you.